Hello kids, welcome to my channel Draw with Sumi. Today we are going to see how to draw Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Come, let's start. Draw curved sleeping line. Let's draw another curve right below first curve. And then we are going to connect top line to the bottom line on both the sides. Now we are going to draw big curve from the bottom of the hat. Now we are going to draw top of our hat by using up curve and then draw another up curve or just light reverse alphabet C curve. Now draw small curve like reverse number 3. Now draw S curve to the bottom to connect the hat. Now we got the shape of the hat, right? Now we are going to draw stripes inside the hat from the bottom. Connect first curve to the middle of S curve and second curve to the top of S curve. Connect third stripe to the bottom of two little bump. Connect fourth stripe draw to the top of lines on top bump. Side of the hat. That's it. We did it. Let's start coloring. Red color. First give the boundary before you fill the color inside so that the color won't go outside. Today I am going to use sketch. If you want it, you can use color pencils or crayons. Start filling the color from one direction to another direction, either from top to bottom or bottom to top. It's good to start from top to bottom so that you don't get white spaces. Alright kids, we are done with Dr. Seuss Cat in the Hat. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy and stay safe. See you.